Hi, I'm Nalapo and I will be discussing industrial wastewater treatment. Wastewater is any water that has been contaminated by human use, and it lies in three different types. The first one is the domestic wastewater. It is wastewater that has been generated from households. It is the water that runs down your kitchen sink and bathtub drain. It's what you flush down the toilet, also known as the black water. It is the leftover water from your washing machine and your dishwasher, also known as the gray water. Next is the municipal wastewater. Municipal wastewater is similar to domestic wastewater in that it incorporates household wastewater, but it usually also includes wastewater from public facilities such as malls and restaurants, and commercial and institutional facilities in urban areas. Lastly, industrial wastewater. Industrial wastewater is a byproduct of industrial or commercial activities, whether it's the food we eat, the beverages we drink, the clothes we wear, or the paper or chemical products we use. Water is required for nearly every step of production across multitude of different industries. In this report, I will be focusing more particularly on the industrial wastewater as it is much more abundant. Industrial wastewater has an adverse impact on the environment. This is why safe disposal of industrial wastewater hold a huge significance for the environment. Strict adherence to industrial and government standards should be met at all times to prevent and reduce water and soil pollution. There are several industries that produces industrial wastewater, and here are the major contributors. The first one is metal finishers. The waste produced from metal finishing operation is typically a slurry containing metals dissolved in its liquid. Industrial laundries. The commercial textile industries processes some 15 billion pounds of laundry per year. Chemical manufacturing. Chemical industries face formidable environmental regulatory challenges in treating their wastewater effluents. Next is mining. Mine tailings are a mixture of water and finely ground rock that is left over from the mining operation mineral concent- once the mineral concentrate such as gold or silver is removed. Steel and iron production. The water used in the production of iron and steel is for cooling and byproducts of separation. It becomes contaminated with products like ammonia and cyanide in the initial conversion. Next, oil and gas fracking. Wastewater from shale gas drilling is considered hazardous waste. It is highly salty, measuring at 32,300 milligrams per liter of sodium. Power plants. Fossil fuel power stations, particularly coal-fired plants, are a major source of industrial wastewater. Food processing. Food and agricultural wastewater has concentration of pesticides, insecticides, animal waste, and fertilizers that all need to be managed. In order to reduce the effect of wastewater released from industries on the environment, the wastewater is redirected to water treatment plant where the water is treated to remove the hazardous chemicals and released into sewer or water sources. Such processes lies in three different methods depending on the contamination. The first one is biological treatment. Biological treatment when the contamination is biodegradable, the removal of organic matter, nitrogen and phosphorus is feasible through this process, which is economical and efficient. Biological treatment can be aerobic or anaerobic depending on the option in interest in each case. The methods concerning biological treatment are active sludge. Biomass in suspension is an economical and efficient process if space is available. Sequence batch reactor, a compact and discontinuous process notable for its versatility and flexibility. Membrane bioreactor. It requires little space, is highly efficient, and provides high-quality effluent. Moving bed biofilm reactor, notable for having a fixed biomass obtaining a high efficiency. Upflow, upflow anaerobic sludge bucket reactor. This is particularly economical with high organic loads to be treated. Next is the vacuum of evaporation, or also known as the mechanical method. It is clean, compact, versatile, and very effective process. If necessary, it can be used to prevent liquid discharges. The range of vacuum evaporators is based on three different types of industrial wastewater treatment equipment, each with its own particular use. The first one is heat pump vacuum evaporator. Next is mechanical vapor decompression vacuum evaporator. And the third is multiple effect vacuum evaporators. Lastly, the physicochemical treatment. The industrial wastewater treatment process covers a wide variety of techniques that can deal alone or combine with numerous types of contaminants. Oils and fats, particles in suspension, colloidal substance, color, non-biodegradable organic matter, dissolved metals, and hydrocarbons. The, the concerned treatment methods are the following: flotation, decantation, precipitation, coagulation, flocculation, neutralization, absorption, filtration, electrocoagulation, advanced oxidation. And that ends my report. Here are the following references I used for this discussion.